Today is Friday, January 17th. This is the 1968 Cadillac Eldorado, 1 year only, original Rochester Quadrajet carburetor. This was rebuilt for my friend Freddie in Arizona at A1. And the unit has been completely disassembled and restored. Absolutely beautiful. The body has been colorized in the original dichromate coloring, consistent with 1968 Cadillac Eldorado Rochester carburetors. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn the unit over. Absolutely beautiful. We can see the original Rochester Quadrajet number 702-8231. The linkages in the settings have all been performance tuned specific to the 1968 472 cubic inch General Motors engine. Okay, and this will be going out to my friend Freddie. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay. Today is Friday, January 17th. Thank you very kindly.